today I'm gonna make a recipe that I've got off of Facebook. It's called Apple Breakfast Casserole. It's made with cinnamon rolls. Okay, this recipe calls for 2 cans of cinnamon rolls. It's a larger dish. Since it's just me, I'm going to make it with 1 can, and I'm going to decrease the ingredients in half. Okay, so I'm putting 1 can of cinnamon roll. I'm going to use half a can of the apple filling, and then I'll save the rest for something else. I'm going to use, what is it, 1/4 cup of melted butter, a 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon. Actually, well, this calls for 2 teaspoons, so I'll put a teaspoon of cinnamon in it. And then I'm going to use, where is the brown sugar? I can't find the, 1/4 cup of brown sugar. I've got the oven preheating at 375 degrees. Okay, now I've got to chop the cinnamon rolls into 6 to 8 pieces each. Chop canned apples into bite-sized pieces. And then I'm going to do that, and then I'll come back. Alright, so I got the cinnamon rolls. They're small. They were the Publix ready-to-bake cinnamon rolls with vanilla icing. So I went on, and since they're small, I just cut them in 4s. And then I chopped the apples, which I used, this is what I could find. Now, get started with this. Oven's heated to 375. I've already chopped the apples, and you just chop them in little pieces, like, because they're whole in here. You just chop them in little bite-sized pieces. And the cinnamon rolls are chopped. Now, it says place cinnamon rolls, apples, melted butter, sugar, and cinnamon in a bowl, and then mix. A teaspoon of cinnamon, because put a teaspoon in there. Brown sugar, which is half. I'm using light brown sugar. I use light brown sugar when I have to use it, like for ham and sweet potatoes, yams. Okay. And put the melted butter, which is, what did I say, 1/3 cup? And I'm gonna just mix that all in right now. Now I'm gonna put the cinnamon rolls in there. Just drop them in, because you're gonna mix it up. They're bite-sized pieces too. I have a feeling this is going to come out something like monkey bread, maybe. I don't know if it's going to come up, or pull-apart bread. Some of y'all may not call it monkey bread. It's going to come out something like that, maybe. I'm not sure. This is the first time I'm making it, guys, so like I said, I saw this the other day on Facebook and it seemed good. And it'd be a good breakfast for me. Okay, so we mix all of that until everything is combined. Just don't mix it hard, just combine it. Okay, everything is together. So everything is combined and cinnamon rolls are coated in the apple mixture. Spray a large casserole dish with cooking spray. I'm just going to use a small one since this is the smaller version of it. Okay, so I use canola cooking spray. You can use any kind of cooking spray that you want. Then pour the cinnamon rolls and apples mixture into a dish. Let's pour all of this in here. It smells good. Okay, so I'm just going to spread it out a little bit. Okay, put it in the middle rack of the oven and bake for 40 to 50 minutes or until cooked thorough. Alrighty, so it's done. It cooked 45 minutes. Now we're going to drizzle just a pack of the vanilla icing that came with the cinnamon rolls over it. Just cut the end off and you just, let's see, drizzle it all over. This smells so good. If you like cinnamon rolls and apples, oh, this needs some vanilla ice cream. I wish I had some. I have to get some.